concept?
The SpineLock concept is the spine that runs through the centre of our building connecting together. Its design came as a desire to create a quick, easy way of joining modular buildings together that created an airtight, weathertight seal as well as a structural seal, in the way that most modular buildings are bolted together, which is difficult to do and doesn't always work that particularly well. SpineLock gives us the ability that once the building has been joined, aesthetically you will never know it was joined. SpineLock set out to achieve the removal of the blue smoke, mirrors and myths surrounding renewable energies and technologies. By using joined-up thinking, our buildings have given us the platform to inject these technologies at a level where they work well together, but the platform gives us the ability to build affordable houses, therefore not putting a premium on the cost of the houses for the future purchasers. The concept and ideas came around on looking at the need in the market. Britain at the moment has a housing crisis, and we're also in the middle of one of the biggest recessions we've seen for many generations, the likes of which have not been seen since the war. The way that the country managed to move forward after the war was by entering into large-scale construction, predominantly housing, and at that time many of the houses built were prefabs, many of them still standing today. So the idea of developing an off-site built house to high standards, full of renewable technologies and delivering those at affordable costs seemed to make sense at this time in the market. Having worked for a number of years with different renewable technologies, my joined-up thinking approach looked at ways where these different technologies could actually work together seamlessly, benefiting each other along the way. For instance, by combining solar PV for the production of electricity with solar thermal to create hot water, when the reality is what we're looking to do is to get the heat out of the solar panels to increase the electrical yield, thereby the hot water becomes a waste product. When combined with air source heat pumps, gives us the ability to have good outputs from multiple technologies when they work closely together. I think the main key features in the build of a SpineLock house start right at the core of the building. We spent a considerable amount of time looking at how buildings are currently manufactured, and the problems inherently lie at its core. So we set about creating a panel system which was structurally able to carry the loads of a building, but at the same time giving the thermal envelope of the building that we were looking for in excess of those currently being built today, but without any cold bridging. The company's long-term vision is to create employment, good, solid manufacturing employment jobs. Our core market is the 18 to 24-year-olds, and we're looking to create the good old-fashioned apprenticeships, a number of years of core training in construction of high-tech materials and the installation, understanding and maintenance of renewable energy technologies, which is a skill set desperately needed within the construction industry. If asked what are my final thoughts, they are that this can never be final. We are always growing, we're always learning, we will always integrate new and better technology into what we do.